At me sticking the flag, the leaf here. Oh my god. Oh my god, I shouldn't add too much. Oh, salt. Wait, no. I had one thing to do is to make the leaf good, and I didn't do it. Okay, it's cute. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's try it. It's like some this in the back. Should I wear your shock? It's recyclable because it might get tar so hard to get it out. I'm just hiding if I should like add some small ones here, just so that they will know. Kicking. Oh, I need to move it. Kicking. Oh. Then let's put it. Let's cut more. Oh my god. Hello, Kieran. Put it on the other side. The glue gun's dripping. Oh my gosh. The first bothering. Okay, it's cute, so let's add more. Thank gosh. Okay. There and go. Where's the other? there's a lot of like spider webs. The glue gun. Okay. Check it, check it. Canada flag. It's a mini Canada on the sign. So you really know what I'm wearing. I don't know if you still think this is Japan. Right, this is Canada here. So this represents the background white. This represents the two red side as well. And oh, I forgot. So yeah, I'm done. Let's just get these things clean. And this glue gun so hot. I'm gonna put it on a tissue. I'm gonna fix this glue gun strippings. So satisfying though. It's a bit hard because it's already like hardened. Okay. So I'm just gonna put this in my creative set. Let's fold it in half. Oh my god, I'm so proud. Oh, this is actually like DIY and it's also recyclable because it's a sauce. And the paper is like an old folder. So hey, there. Oh, forgot about that. Just gonna clean these things up and I'm good. Actually, you don't need to see me doing this. Oh. How to last us. So proud of my DIY headdress. Fix these things. Hello. Let's just fix these things. Oh my god. I hope they won't fall off. Actually, I'm done, but I'm just cleaning these things up. Here's some pieces. I just like cutted the straws in this old folder. Oops. I didn't measure the size. Look at it. So hot. There's so many people. Okay, I'm gonna put you inside. Okay, I'm gonna end the live now. Bye bye.